Hello everyone, Keely from Wave here. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the new member portal from your members' point of view. So we'll have a look at the new layout, what each section in the navigation menu is used for, and where members can update both their public directory profile and their general membership details as well. So this should give you a better idea of exactly what your members see when they log in and how they can manage their own information as well. So let's get started. So once a member logs in, they'll be taken straight to the home screen here. So on the left-hand side, they'll see a profile image, a welcome message, and then the main navigation menu down here as well. So they use this menu to move between the different areas of the portal. So the home screen is the main starting point for your members. So depending on how you've set up your profile, you can use this space to display things like announcements, important updates, or like upcoming events or anything else you'd like your members to see when they first log in. So, like any important information that you want them to see straight when they log in. So, for example, if you have an event coming up, or you could add a banner image promoting the event, include a welcome message with some information or like a call to action about that event. But that's just one example. So you can really use this in whatever way works best for your organization and the information that you'd like to highlight. So members can return to this screen, this home screen, at any time by selecting home from the navigation menu as well. So it's just nice and there, easy for them. So next up, we have the Resource Center. So I'll just go through all of these tabs here just to explain it and everything. So this is where members can access general resources that have been shared with them by your organization. So these might include like things like guides, templates, policies, training materials, or any information really that you meant like member only information that you'd like them to have access to. So resources can be organized into folders, so it makes it a bit easier for your members to browse the different types of content that you will have in here. There's also a search bar up here as well. So if a member is looking for something specific, they can also quickly search for it as well. So yeah, overall, the Resource Center is a great way to keep important information organized in one place. So rather than having members search through like like emails to find like a certain document or a link, which can be quite annoying, they can access it all in here. So this is for all members. And then next up, just under that, we have member files. So this is a shared file area between the individual member and your admin team. So we often describe this section as being similar to like a Google Drive between the member and the admin team. So your admin team can upload files directly to the member's account, and the member can also upload their own files as well. So this could be things like certificates or forms, or anything else that needs to be shared directly by your organization and the particular member. Because this area is connected to the individual member's account, each member will only see the files that have been uploaded or shared specifically with them. So it works a little bit differently from the Resource Center, which contains general resources available to the wider group of members. Whatever's in here, it will just be available to them. And then next up, we have the events section. So this section is connected to the events created within Wave, and it allows members to view the events currently available to them. So they can select an event to see more information, and they can also purchase their tickets as well. So if we just go get tickets, it'll bring to another page where they can get their tickets as well. So it's all right there for them. So it gives members one central place to see what's coming up and stay up to date with your organisation's events. And the next section that I'll go into is directory listing. So this is where members can browse the people or organisations included in your member directory. So they can use the directory to find other members, view their profiles, explore the products or services they offer, and connect with people across the wider member community as well. Perfect. And then I'll just go back into here. And then next up, we have invoices. So this section allows members to view any invoices connected to their account. So from here, they can open an invoice, check its payment status, and pay any outstanding invoices as well. So when they select Pay Now, they'll be taken through to the payment page where they can complete the payment as well. So it's nice and easy, just all in the one place. And that is the view from that point. So then next I'll go into how to change their details. So now I will show you where members can change their details. So members can select edit just on over here as well, or they can go to the same area just by clicking the little profile little thing up here as well. So just for now, we'll just click edit. And then from there, they can update their personal information. So I'll just go into personal information. So they can so in this section, they can change their first name, their last name, and their contact number as well. And they can also change their email address by selecting Update Email, and a one-time verification code will then be sent to the member. And then just further along, if we go into public directory, they can also choose whether they would like to appear in the member directory and select which details they want to make visible as well. So they can update their profile image and banner image with the recommended dimensions displayed on the screen. So at least they know what size to make their profile image and their banner. And then they can also put in a short little bio, just introducing themselves, telling people about their business, and then just more, but a little bit further down, we've also got they can upload service images as well. So these could include products that they sell or examples of their work, or anything they want to showcase on their public profile. And then just on the bottom, they could also update their contact details as well. Perfect. And if we just go back to personal information, they can also update their business details, billing contacts, payment method, and then they can also add in members they may have as well. And then once they've put in all the information, they will always have to go save just down the bottom, and that will save any of the changes that they make. So yeah, hopefully this gives you a better understanding of what your members will see when they log in and how they can manage their information through the portal. So yeah, we hope you and your members find the new portal helpful. As always, please feel free to contact the Wave team if you have any questions. But yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.